How to add shop button on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now, let's go ahead and open up Instagram and let's navigate to our profile. Say for example that you wanted to add a shop button on your Instagram profile. Now, the first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. After that, from here, click on the three lines at the top right corner, then click on settings and privacy. Then scroll down till you find a section that says for professionals, and in which you will see an option that says account type and tools. Click on it, and essentially what we will be trying to do right here is we will switch our account from personal to professional account in order for us to get the add shop button option on our account. Now once you are on this page right here, you will see the first section says account type. Click on the option that says switch to professional account, and here Instagram tells you some information about the professional tools. Click continue at the bottom, and it's just trying to give you some infos about what will the professional account add to your Instagram experience. Click continue, then click continue to get to the second step, in which you need to choose a category for your Instagram professional account. So you might be a clothing brand or a digital creator, entrepreneur, health and beauty, or product services, or maybe beauty, cosmetic, and personal care, depending on your category. Choose which one suits you the best. I'm just going to choose entrepreneur for the sake of this video. Then click on done to save the changes and to move on to the next step. Here, choose business, then click on next, and you will get to this step where you will be able to add some contact info such as your phone number or business address, etc. Feel free to add them or not, and click on next to continue. And here on this option you will be able to connect a Facebook page if you have one. I'm just going to skip this step, and you are now on the last step, which is the setting up of your professional account. As you can see, Instagram here gives you some uh, steps that you need to follow and to complete in order to optimize and set your professional account in the best way possible. I'm just going to close this window right here. Let me refresh my account. Now, as you can see, we have switched our account from personal to a professional one. Now what you need to do is you need to click on edit profile right here, and then scroll down, skip all of these, and scroll down to the public business information section at the bottom. Now here is one thing that you should note. For some of you, you will have an option that says add action button, in which you will be able to find some option in that action button, including the shop button. And for some of you, you will not be able to find that option. As you can see in my case right here, I only have four options, and I do not have the add action button option. Now why that might be happening, say for example you you have just created your new account, and Instagram does not trust that you are really a true business or an established business. Now if you are an established business, then Instagram will obviously give you that option straight away. If you are not an established business, or maybe you are in a country where that shop button option uh, is not enabled. Say for example you are in a third world country, or maybe in a country where Instagram has not yet enrolled that feature. Then what you can do, as you can see, I have the same problem here, the same thing as you might have. Now what you can do right here is you need to go back to your um, profile page right here, and you need to click on the three lines again at the top right corner, click on settings and privacy, and here let's scroll down to the more info and support section, and let's click on help. And here let's click on report a problem. And essentially what we will be trying to do is we will try to reach out to the Instagram support team and ask them to add and enable the shop button option on our account, as we are an established business, or we are a creator that really needs that option for the benefit of his audience. So click on report a problem, click report problem to continue, click include and continue, and you will land on this messaging field right here, where you can upload a screenshot of the missing shop button option, and you can simply just message Instagram while including your reasons, to each person his own reasons as to why you will need this shop button. So as I said, I just gave you a few examples. Say for example that you are an established business and this will benefit the platform as well as your audience, and I don't know, to each person his own reason. Just make sure you make it clear enough for them. And once you are done, click on send at the top right corner. And after a while, maybe a few business days, they will get back to you and resolve your problem. And this is unfortunately the only way I know, and the only way you can do so as of right now. There's no actually other option. It's just something that you cannot control. Probably in the future, like everyone will have uh, be able to have this shop button option straight away. Maybe it's just rolling out slowly to extra people. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add the Instagram shop button option. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.